Alright, hello there. This video is a demonstration of the Western Blot Utility's auto detection feature. This is a heuristic algorithm that has you manually select a reference ROI, and from that reference it auto detects the remaining bands. It is by no means perfect, which is why the Western Blot Utility has a lot of manual adjustment tools for you to bring these final selections into the result that you would like. So this video is just going to cover the auto detection feature, and it's not going to cover, it's going to gloss over the details for how you do that manual adjustment. So without further ado, I'm going to click and drag to create my reference ROI. It's very helpful to keep this tight. And then here, once again, I have a miss, like that's to be expected with the heuristic algorithm. And so let's keep going. Boom. These ROIs at the end here are just faint enough that they're likely being filtered out as background. So this one, there's one factor that you can adjust on for helping improve this algorithm, and that's this crop factor. Basically, when you select a reference ROI, it doesn't detect objects on the entire image. It crops relative to that reference ROI. So this basically just says what percentage of the reference, or I guess what factor of the reference ROI am I going to extend above and below the ROI to then crop my photo. So in this case, we're only taking like 10% of the reference ROI. So because these objects go up, we're likely going to miss a lot of the ones at the end. So if we select this, we'll see, you can imagine, let's say 10% just stuck up here on top and on the bottom, and you can see how it starts to miss a lot of these ROIs. So if I were to retry this, and I would, let's say, set this to 2, that's a huge change, but let's say I double the height of this ROI when I do my cropping, you'll see it goes much further down the pipeline. And once again here, these bands are really hard to tell the difference from background, so you have to manually select them. Right. All right, that's a wrap for the auto detection feature. Thank you.